know what? Louie asked me for help in Miss Nelson's algebra class.
No way. He's the one you wanted to go to the dance with, right?
Yes, I think he's not that great with numbers, which is perfect, because maybe I'll get to help him again.
You're so lucky.
I know, but the problem is...
What?
I don't know how I behave around him. What if I do really weird faces or smell bad or something without even knowing?
You know you will. Remember that one time your underwear fell out of your gym bag?
No, but really, I'm serious. When I'm around him, I forget everything else. All I see and think about is Louie, Louie, Louie. It's ridiculous.
Can you at least remember the math?
Duh, everything but math then.
I have an idea. I can be your love spy.
My what?
Your love spy. While you focus on Louie, I focus on you. And then I report back to tell you if you blush, giggle, and also how Louie's looking at you.
That's the best idea I've ever heard. But if you give me away, I'll kill you.
I know you will. So you know I won't. Blushing? No. Fidgeting? Yes. Overtly adoring stare? Not sure. Excessive smiling? Perhaps. Overall score? Doing okay. I know, right?
What about Louie, though?
Oh.
What?
Well, I kind of focused on you.
The whole class?
Yeah, but no worries. We have math tomorrow as well. I'll focus on him then.
You better.
Come on. You should thank me. Being a love spy is one fun but ungrateful job. I'm sure Cece is crushing hard on Mel. You think?
Yeah.
Why?
Cece was just like staring at Mel all through Miss Nelson's class. Didn't take her eyes off her, even for a second.
Can I get a quarter venti double shot chocolate with a sugar-free watermelon shot to go, please? Cece staring at Mel, huh? Sounds kinda obsessed.
Just water, please. Who also is obsessed?
You?
No, Mel. And guess who she's obsessed with?
You?
No, you.
Oh no. You sure?
Yeah.
What should I do?
Flirt back, maybe? Don't you want to take her to the dance? Don't you want to date her, love her, and have many Mels and many Louis and spend eternity with her forever and ever and ever?
No.
Why not?
You know, I like her, but I don't like her.
That's a lot of likes for someone you don't like.
I've known her for so long. She's like a sister. If she likes me, it'd be weird.
If so, there's only one thing to do.
What?
Gross her out.
What?
Yeah, pick your nose, scratch your butt, chew with your mouth open, that kind of stuff. It really works. My cousin's friend did it, and now he has no problem with girls.
Do I have to?
Of course not, but it's the only way to shake off Mel.
Is there no other way? Cece's gonna notice as well. Her and Mel are always hanging out together. And Cece smells so good.
There is one other way. Ignore Mel, but it might backfire. My cousin's friend tried ignoring first, but it backfired. The girls fought harder and harder to get his attention. It got out of hand. They started hanging around his house, looking through his window, and calling him over.
Ugh,
I know. So gross.
on one condition.
What?
You go gross with me.
Sure. I'm a natural grosser.
I can't believe I agreed to say yes to everything you tell me to do at the dance.
Me neither. But you did. And now, the fun begins. Change the music. Dance with Miss Nelson. Burp. Chuckle. Don't blink for a minute. Blink at Jenna. Get an
moment. Tell the moon a secret. Help someone. Blow a big bubble. Blank Sophia. Talk to your reflection. Prepare a salad. Speak a little. Invent a new color. Go gross. Love spy. Kiss mouth. On the lips. Oh, I got a good one. Go into the main school computer and change my brother's grades. Eden. Well, will you, Louie?
Coca-Cola Zero. Ident. Target. Oh, target logo. Toca Boca Life Stories.
Hello, welcome to the school computery system. How can I help?
Our school's kind of high-tech, huh? I'd like to improve Eden's brother Ali's grades. Please, Mr. School Computer System.